guys, your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, with another day and another video. We got a beautiful plane in the sky, but we got another plane, man. We just took delivery of a 2019, y'all, Dodge Challenger Hellcat SRT. Oh my God, bro, what do you want to talk about that? It's got all the features you can think about, including all the dyno features. This is how you know it's a 2019. It has the factory built-in dyno, which tells you all your horsepower, torque, all of that. But here goes the bit of one beautiful thing about it, y'all. Let me show y'all something. It's not just going to be a Dodge Charger. It's going to be a little bit better than just a Dodge Charger. Okay, there's something special behind this one. She is a Hellcat. Look at that blower. Look at that blower. Look at that blower. And the proud owner of this car is going to be my brother, nobody less, nobody more than Juan Cruz Jr. He came, he drove my wife's car, fell in love with it, and now he got his own baby boy. Because now what we're going to do is we're going to go out for a ride and go, I'm going to see this bad boy move. I mean, I'm just saying, baby, let's go for a ride.
He's going to have his first race.
Come on, let's go have a race right now on the highway. Let's go.
I ain't racing nothing.
Let's go break it
I just raced.
Come on.
I just beat two Mustangs.
I don't care what you beat. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go get your car.
You race your car?
Yeah. We're gonna go play around. So we're gonna go put them against Challenger, Hellcat against Hellcat, Isaac and Audio Fox versus my brother car. We're gonna go do some pulling here, find out what happens. All natural leather, y'all, from SRT. All the options, sunroof, bells and whistles, everything head to toe. Guys, this is actually a cool feature. The SRT lights up on that steering wheel, y'all. Like how you know it's a Guru 2019. We're about to go do some pulls and see how it runs, y'all, so stay tuned. Come, but all right. Guys, so we're about to go and go take these two cars for a run and see what happens between my wife's no mods besides the leg maker intake. This one's completely stock. So we're gonna go see exactly what happens as we try to get this here. Let's go. Alrighty. Woo boy. Woo boy. I love my kitties, man. I'm not gonna lie. I love my kitties, man. I can't deny. Dodge has really earned me with these cars, man. They're impressive because they're four-door sedans, but they move. Ain't no throttle box, ain't no pedal box, ain't nothing. That's just the way they are. They really just move naturally, man, and that's what makes them truthfully unique, man. So you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna come and pretty much go race Isaac a couple times and see how these runs go. I'm not familiar with this car, but I'm about to find out everything I need to do. So I got my suspension, my track, red key is active, all my racing options. This got a lot of new features. It got line lock. What? Built into it? Y'all don't even know what he has here. This car has built-in line lock. That's an amazing feature to have when you're drag racing. So now we're gonna get to this, let's get next to this side-by-side action. Get Isaac on that side. And we're gonna do those. The name of this one's gonna be, and they pull up the window, but it's gonna be something because he's part of the Audio Cat / Cruise crew, part of the team. But she got her first victory in the house, of course, with yours truly, J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, behind that wheel with the grin on my face. I am actually loving this, man. So I know Isaac wants to go again. He can little Audio Fox understand he's a young kid. He's a young kid. He needs to learn. He needs to learn. It's a secret to driving. You got to go to the sun side and summon all the pistons to you. You know what I'm saying? What happens? Feeling a little salty? Let's get out of the curve. Let's get out of this curve. Let's go do another run in a minute. But yeah, he's not liking that feeling. You see, before I get down and start to drive the car, I pray to the car gods. I remove all piston and octane levels that can possibly come to me and give me the strength that I need to take out the enemy. Just being a little silly with y'all. I'm just a little excited my brother's car, y'all. Let me come back to being an adult and yeah, I can't do it, man. I'm just having fun, y'all. But let's go race the Audio Fox, driving my car again. Let's go get this pool right now. I don't know what she did there, because she don't even check if anybody's ready. I don't know what's wrong with you people. Amateurs. Let's go turn around now. Because pause this video, I'll be right back in a minute. That way. We're about to race him again on a slower roll. What I do want to tell you in that video is you can actually see that a lake maker intake does give a benefit to the car. That's without a doubt. We took off in front of him, we hooked before he did, and yet he still began to creep up little by little over us. That's really a difference. It's not a major difference, but it counts when you're racing. So you can see that right there. He was little by little pulling away from us, guys. Little by little, but it was still a benefit. You guys, that's an amazing thing to have. It's just a cold air intake on the car. My wife's car is not tuned or nothing. It's bone stock, cold air intake, and it moves pretty good. There's a lot more weight in this car. You know, we got two big old boys. Let me show you. We got two big old boys up in here, but we still gonna do what we have to do as we play. So let's go do a couple more plays around while I get to play with this guy's car, my brother's car. I'm gonna do a little show for the shows, you know what I'm saying? Just a little show for the shows. I'm not doing that.
We gonna make it. Emily record. We about to put on the show.
Just a little show for the show. Drifting a little faster than Furious style. My brother can be mad, but I don't give a damn. He watched this video. I love you, brother. I've enjoyed this. Let's go give it a little race to Isaac again and start getting home. It pulls, my wife's car pulls on this little by little, but I mean, it really depends on who gets that jump. But there's no doubt that white one's a little bit faster. But it really comes to the point of who gets the jump, guys. Whoever gets the jump is gonna get the win. And that's what it comes to about most of the time. Taking off the light, taking off the thing is reaction time. It's really important, as you can see in these little quick races we're doing. They're both Hellcats. Wife's is a 16, this is a 19. That one has a cold air intake, this one don't, this one bone stock. But again, as you can tell, it really comes down to the reaction time of what's gonna happen. So it's just fun again. I'm gonna give him one more run and we'll conclude this this time playing with this car. I love it though, I love it. I love the color, I love everything about it. Let's give him one more run. For this one. Got him. Now on that race, I pulled up the windows and you can see that it actually made a big difference. Guys, there's a lot of things that make a lot of difference, and you can tell that was one of them right there. We just actually started to pull away from him on the run. So there's nothing to talk about, man. We've enjoyed this car though. I can't wait to see my brother's reaction. I know he has a beautiful car and I hope he gets to love it, man, because it's a beautiful toy. God bless it. All the stitching, look at this, guys. All the sunroof, the stitching, all the details, this car has it all. It's a premium package. SRT Hellcat with all of the bells and whistles, heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled. I mean, y'all could just, I don't have to tell y'all. Y'all could just see it. Look, heated seats, vented seats, heated wheels, all the features you could possibly think about. Of course, it has that beautiful dyno mode, which is a great mode to have. So he can actually come in here and have all the racing options. He got line lock, racing cool down, shift light controls, and then of course he has all his SRT features in here, which y'all gonna see right now as I get over here. The performance pages. It's gonna give him basically all the dynos, the engine, everything he needs to know is right here in the car. This is a beautiful car. I love it. I ask God to bless him. Let's go see his reaction and see what happens here now. So we've gotten back to the sign of destination. Brother, come over here. I want to tell you. Well, we got also somebody. Stay right there. We got another nigga up in here. Bonsai runner.
Bonsai runner.
Up in the building, man. Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys something. I have really enjoyed this. Isaac, come over here, brother.
Hold on. What we need to see is the driver, the owners drive
of the cars go against each other. That's really the biggest thing of it. But I do gotta say that we ran them side by side, Bonsai, and they pretty much run even. It depends on who gets the hit, is who's gonna take the win. On one of the races that we did, I had the windows down and we took off side by side, and then he started to creep up on me and started to pass me. But in the last race, I put up all the windows all the way, and we kind of just stayed even. So there's a lot of factors that come into racing. But what I did say about this car is, it's an amazing car. I got so much parts for this car inside my garage right now, because I don't know if she wants to do mods.
Oh, I'm doing upper pulley. I'm doing upper pulley immediately. That's Monday. He's going to the shop for upper pulley, and we're gonna change the back tires.
What do we gotta do to help this guy actually make his car fast again? Like, you know, Trump said make America fast again. How can we make his car fast again? Well, let's do the video first, and after I spank him and I drag him, then we'll do that.
Let me say something. What I mean, what are you gonna do with the guy who's holding the title?
You ain't got no title. You ain't got absolutely. Let's not talk about what happened in Memphis where he went home silent.
Look at that.
We don't even want to talk about that. We could call witnesses for Memphis. When he came home and he was in a bad mood because he couldn't believe the audio cat was ripping him on 22. But we'll leave that there.
See, I don't like to run. I don't like to run on the highway like.
It doesn't matter. Either way, we're pulling it.
I like to take off running.
That video's coming soon. You know he liked the blah, blah, blah. So I'm just gonna give it to him on a dig. In fact, I'm gonna take off a car in front of me and still pass him. Just stay tuned, man. But I wanna tell you guys, brother, come here. Come here. Come here. We gotta give you a name. What give you your name?
Hold on, it's called Bad Cat.
Huh?
Bad Cat.
Bad Cat.
That's Bad Cat.
That's Bad Cat?
Yeah. Because it's gonna make people's days bad.
I don't know about that one, man. Look, we got my brother up in the building. Brother, come here. You're on the camera, bro.
What's up?
He is a proud owner of this new Hellcat. How do you feel about this?
I feel amazing.
You feel amazing. Did you get any special feeling when you were driving?
Yeah, the fact that you took my car made me really, my stomach turn.
Watch this video and you see everything we got to do with your car. The whole time, the whole thing. But guys, we're gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the subscription. Well, we have just took delivery of a 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat back into the family, and the blessings just continue, man.
It's called the Bad Cat.
It's called the Bad Cat. But look, this man here, and I gotta end it with a little joke for y'all. This man is very blessed. Very, very blessed. I'm just really sad that he eats all of his blessings. See y'all later. God bless.